Yoga meditation is a profound practice that combines physical, mental, and spiritual aspects of yoga. It involves the integration of breath control, mindful movement, and focused attention to the relaxed body. During yoga meditation, individuals engage in various postures asanas that promote strength, flexibility, and balance. By synchronizing these postures with conscious breathing techniques, practitioners are able to bring their attention to the present moment and enter a state of mindfulness. As the mind becomes more focused and centered, yoga meditation also incorporates the practice of concentration and visualization. It involves directing the mind's attention to a specific object such as a mantra, a sound, or a visual image in order to channel and calm the mental chatter. It helps individuals develop a heightened sense of self-awareness, and inner stillness enables them to observe their thoughts in most deepest ways. Furthermore, yoga meditation extends beyond the individual, fostering a sense of interconnectedness with others and the universe.